In the last video, we learned how to create a fill button theme so that our button becomes exactly the way it looks in our Figma design. Now we will implement the outline button theme. So if we go to our Figma, and you will see that our outline button theme has 1 pixel border with primary color, and it also has the title large text style, and the text is actually the primary color as well. So to convert it, we need to implement our outline button theme data. So that will be our outline button theme data, and inside that we have style, and we will set outline button style, outlined button dot style form. And firstly we need to set the border color, so let's do that. Our side would be border side, and inside border side we will set color to colors primary. So if you reload it, and it doesn't actually change because we haven't added our outline button theme to our theme. So to do that we need to set it here. So outline button theme will be our outline button theme. Now if you reload and see, the color is actually changed. So we will also need to add the text style, so that will be text style, and text style is ours label large, and we need to have it inside our style form, and you need to reload it because okay, so the text color is actually so the style is added, but the text color is not added here. So our text color would be foreground color. So foreground color would be colors.primary, and if you run it again, the color is changed, and it's not label large, it's title large. See, it's title large. So the text now looks a bit like our button, but it also has a padding like our primary button, so we can also add the padding. So padding would be our 16 pixel padding, so that would be 16, and it now looks like our outline button except the border radius. So we can also add border radius the way we added our fill button border radius. So we can just copy that and paste it here. So you see that our border radius is changed. And what about the disabled color? So if we go to our counter page, let's check our disabled color. So if we make the button disable, you see that our border color is not changed. So we also need to incorporate that, and to incorporate that we need to actually implement the copy with functions, and inside that we need to implement the material state property of border side. So that will be material widget state border side dot resolve with, and it has a states callback, and inside states inside this callback we need to check if it is disabled. So if the button becomes disable, we need to set our border to a different color, right? Yeah. So if the button is disable, we need to set our border color to be surface 200, and if that is not disabled, then we need to set to our default border color, that will be primary. So that's it, and we can also remove that here. So if you rerun the app, you will see that when the state is actually disabled, this is the way button looks, and if you again enable the button, it will look like the button is enabled. We also need to add our background color, so that not background builder, that will be background color, and we already have our background color. So now everything looks good. So in the next tutorial we will learn more about customizing our text input, so that we can build and we can have a text style across all our apps. So till then, see you later.